Are you trying to run away from your car problems like me? Battmobile has come up with something that'll set you free for good. Introducing our service package, which includes 4 minor and 1 major service, which takes care of practically all your car's needs. It also includes free pickup and drop-off, all OEM parts, unlimited recovery, and 24/7 call support. We have an experienced team to service car brands from across the globe. You can start our service package with a small down payment of 549 dirhams and pay the remaining balance on easy, interest-free installments. And it gets even better. The first 50 people to submit an inquiry will get an additional 250 dirhams off on their package. So it doesn't matter when your next car service is due. Just submit an inquiry now to talk to one of our customer service specialists, and you can choose to start your service package anytime.